Welcome to your cozy castle, unveiling 4930 North Illinois Street. Ever dream of finding a place that feels both charming and convenient? Well, stop dreaming and start scheming, because we're about to explore your perfect haven at 4930 North Illinois Street. Step inside and prepare to be wowed. This charming, 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home boasts 1,400 square feet of living space, offering the perfect blend of comfort and functionality. Plus, everything is brand new. The 3 bedrooms provide tranquil retreats for everyone, while the updated bathroom ensures convenience for the whole household. And this beautiful fireplace adds a touch of charm, but please note it's for decorative purposes only. But wait, there's more. Step outside and discover your own private oasis in the spacious backyard. Perfect for summer barbecues, backyard games, or simply relaxing under the stars. Unleash your inner chef in this modern kitchen featuring brand new appliances, including a refrigerator, microwave, oven, and dishwasher. Cooking has never been easier or more stylish. Need a place to park your car or store your gear? Look no further than the convenient one-car garage. Laundry day? No problem. This home comes with a washer and dryer included, so you can spend less time on chores and more time enjoying your new home. The best part? This vibrant neighborhood puts you at the center of it all. Enjoy a variety of restaurants, cafes, shops, and entertainment options, all within walking distance. Plus, with easy access to parks and Butler University, you'll never be far from fun and exploration. Don't miss out on the chance to make 4930 North Illinois Street your very own cozy castle. Contact us today to schedule a viewing and start living your dream.